Hi everyone, I'm Avdesh God. In this video, we will learn about hierarchies in Tableau, how to create and manage the same. Moreover, we will also learn about multiple ways to drill down to the raw data. Well, let's get started. Let us quickly build a view to understand hierarchies. Drag the category field from dimensions onto the row shelf and discount field from measures onto the column shelf. Let us also color code this using the discount field. To do so, using Ctrl key, drag the discounts from columns to the color shelf on the marks card. Let us drop the subcategory field from the dimensions to the row shelf as well. Here we can clearly see that the subcategories accessories, copiers, machines, as well as phones falls under the category technology. Another way to drill up and drill down is by building hierarchies. In order to build a hierarchy, all we need to do is drag the second level field onto the first level field in the data pane. Let us drag the subcategory field onto the category field. Tableau will provide us with a dialog box to name this hierarchy. There is a default name already filled in, which is indeed a concatenation of both category and subcategory field name. Let us name this product. If you notice, we have got a minus sign in front of the category field available on the row shelf. If we want to drill up to the category field alone, then we can utilize this minus sign in front of the category field, and this view will be again at a category level. And as soon as we do that, it will change into a plus sign, which can again be utilized to drill down back to the combined category and subcategory view. Let us drill down using this plus sign. Adding a new field to the already existing hierarchy is quite easy as well. All you need to do is right-click on the field, go to Hierarchy, select Add to Hierarchy, and then select the hierarchy name you want this field to be added to. If we notice, the field manufacturer is added to the product hierarchy. Alternatively, you can also drag a field and place it in the specified hierarchical position in the already available hierarchy. Let us move the product name at the end of the product hierarchy. Let us move the product name at the end of the product hierarchy. If you notice, after adding these new fields after the subcategory, we can now even drill down the subcategory and manufacturer as well. The level of hierarchy in the visual is defined by the order in which the fields are added in that hierarchy. We can also change the level of a field in a hierarchy by simply dragging it up and down to the specified location. Moreover, if you want to remove any of the field from the hierarchy, you can do that as well. All you need to do is right-click on the field, go to Hierarchy, and select Remove from Hierarchy. Not only this, you can also drill up and drill down directly from the view as well. If we hover over the headers, we'll get to see small plus and minus signs. We can utilize the same to drill down and drill up respectively. We can also remove a field from the view irrespective of the hierarchy. Let us remove the subcategory field for the time being. If we drill down again from the category level, the subcategory level will again be coming up. That is, the view will expand as per the default hierarchy specified in the data pane. If in case you want to use any of the field available in the hierarchy without the drill down capabilities, then all you need to do is right click on it and duplicate the same. Now in any view wherein you want to use the category field without the drill down capability, you can utilize the copy of this category field. If required, we can also have a look at the data in the most granular form. To do so, click on the View Data icon in the data pane in front of the search bar, and the raw data will open up in a dialog box. Let us close this for the time being. We can also see the raw data from the command buttons. Click on the specific marks in the view and select the last button, that is, the View Data option. This will show us the data of the selected marks. In this video, we learned about building hierarchies in Tableau and how to utilize the same to drill up and drill down the particular views. In the next video, we'll go beyond Show Me to build the non-trivial chart types in Tableau.